Hi friend, my name is Surajit and I am working as an assistant professor. In this video, I am going to show you why you should learn the Python language in 2022 and what is its important. Friend, you know why the demand of the Python language is too much high? Because of its have some special characteristics like Python language is the open source programming language and it have a very strong and growing community of computer and user. Except this, Python language is very simple and very easy to understand. It has a clean syntax which is much more easier from C language, from Java language, from C++ language, from PHP, from C Sharp and so on. Python is the easier from other language. Python is generic. Generic means it has a large set of library. Using this library, you can easily implement a wide variety of tasks. And it is the first choice for programmer, for software engineer, for data scientist, for data analyst. So this is the reason because of its good characteristics. Except this, so friend, if you are looking for higher study, okay, then Python will help you a lot. Python language you can work with a huge set of data. If you are looking for a good job, like if you want to become a data scientist, data analyst, software engineer, and Python programmer, then you please study well about Python. Python language is the very much important and which helps you for obtaining good job